just using a basic diamond file.
Yeah.
And I'm working in a parallel, perpendicular pattern from the bottom of the cutting edge to the top. And when I do my flip side, I work the same pattern, except for I carefully flip my diamond file so as not to cause any burrs to rub and give me the adverse reaction I'm looking for. So again, we'll go from the bottom to the top, retaining the same 15% angle.
Okay.
And this is how you sharpen the throwing tomahawk. With the most efficacy, of course, placed on what a hatchet's primary use would be, which is chopping. And that requires a cutting edge that begins at the top and works its way down, sharpening. We're also trying to maintain the integrity of a device that may not always
Now, is that
have.
word of the month, or fucking word of the fucking
What's that, integrity?
year? Efficacy.
Efficacy. Well, it does carry a certain amount of inherent potential, doesn't it?
Yeah.
In other words, some efficacy. So that's the camelus titanium. Now, when you find any tools made of titanium, even if it's only on an edge, and the rest is wrought iron or some other sort of softer steel, you find this particular alloy has a harder edge, and thus it'll be a tougher grind per se to sharpen. But that edge, you'll find, will remain for as long as you take care of your axe. You know, use a little cutting oil to sharpen it here and there. Dish soap will work if you have none of that. Vegetable oil. Anyways, thanks again for watching. This is Bentley Bitch Tamers with Sharpening with Efficacy.